If Windows is flagging the STLport version 5.1 DLL as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. For professional-grade STLport version 5.1 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the STLport version 5.1, a specialized implementation of the C++ Standard Template Library as an STL. It provides localized routines for data structures and standard algorithms for software developed in the late 2000s. Its absence triggers entry point not found errors in legacy CAD and engineering software that was not compiled against the modern MSVC STL. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike Windows core files, STLport version 5.1 DLL belongs to the specialized STLport C Standard Library, version 5.1 shim, environment, and you must reinstall the software that is failing to load to rebuild the internal library links and stop the error. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including STLport version 5.1, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone STLport version 5.1 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for STLport version 5.1. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved STLport version 5.1 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.